Hello, everybody. Welcome to Fame World Educational Hub. Myself, Aishwarya Saxena, and in this Java 19 series, I am going to start with the video number 14. I have already uploaded 13 videos in this playlist, and I hope you have watched them. If you have not watched them, kindly go and watch it. I have already created 6 programs in this playlist, and I hope you have gone through them. In this video, I am going to discuss the concept of swapping. So here I am creating a new program file and we will swap the values of two numbers. So here I am taking two variables actually. So here I am taking the program number 7 and we will simply, like I am writing the question here, write a program to input two numbers and swap their values using third variable. So there are two ways to swap the values of the two variables, and we will use here a third variable. Import java.util.scanner. We are taking a scanner class here because simply when you want to take input, you have to take the scanner class. And we have discussed, like I have already discussed about it in my previous videos in detail. So kindly watch it if you don't have idea about it. Here I am taking three variables because we have to use three variables in this program. And I'm giving the message for the user, enter two numbers. So this message when user will read, so he will be able to enter two numbers through these variables. Next int we are taking here because we are having integer variables. And a and b, two variables I have taken. Firstly, I am printing the value of a and b, value of a before swapping. So at least with this message, we will be able to understand that the values are printing correctly. And value of b before swapping. Then we are going to swap it. So I have taken a variable c. C equals to a. So what will be happening? The value of a will be transferred to c. Now a is empty, you can say. So a equals to b. So the value of b will be transferred to a, and now b is empty. So b equals to c. So now the value of c will be transferred to b itself. So what will be happening? Like the value of a was transferred to c, and c is having the value of a. Now we are transferring the value of c to b. That means b is getting the value of a itself. So here I am just printing value of a after swapping. Swapping means interchanging. If you want to interchange the values of the two variables, that is known as swapping. Swapping means interchange. And value of b after swapping. So this we have done with the help of three variables. But in case you want to do the same program with the help of two variables, so that can also be done. And that I will tell you in my next video. So let's run this program first of all. Java C space pro 7.java and Java space pro 7. So here I'm entering two numbers and I'm just zooming in this output screen. Just take a look at it. Like 23 and 54 we entered. So value of A before swapping is 24. Value of B before swapping is 54. And value of A after swapping is 54 and value of B after swapping is 23. That means our program is working efficiently and we are able to swap the values of the variables with the help of third variable. Take a look at it and simply in case you have any query related to this program, you are free to ask it in the comment section. You can put your queries related to this program or any other program in the comment section. So I will be definitely helping you out. If you are new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe the channel and press the notification bell, because after pressing the notification bell, you will start getting the notifications of my latest uploads. In the next video, I will tell you that how you can swap the values of two variables without using third variable. So thank you and see you in the next video.